What's up, guys? Today we're looking at one of the coolest places to watch a sunset in Kentucky. So this place we're hanging out is one of Letcher County's overlooks. This one is called the Sanders Collins House. This little covered pavilion / seating area sits at the side of the Sanders Collins Log Lodge. So this family used to use it for a weekend getaway where the whole living room had a big view of this overlook that we get to see now. The roof and the seating area has been rebuilt, but the chimney is actually original to the house, and it gave us a great spot to sit down and hang out and enjoy the view as the sun went down. We ended our day in Letcher County right here, and we had some cold drinks, some nice orange cream ale 8 as you can see, and we just sat around and enjoyed each other's company while we watched the sun go down. We would highly recommend this place to check out if you want to see a great view of all these beautiful Appalachian mountains that we love so much.
It's gone. Sun's down.